So Julia and I just received a very important message on Julia's phone. A Viber message came in that the shipping company has received a package. This package contains her visa to the United States of America, but it's a very special visa. What visa is it?
It's a CR102 visa that allows me to get a green card and travel to U.S.
So she gets her green card and her permanent residency in America is what it is. And we're freaking going home now. Yes! Yes! This has been one heck of a long, very emotional journey that we will share with you later on.
Yeah.
But right now, we just got the text message, we got ready, and we are going to get her passport, and we are going home! So here we are. The place we've been waiting to come for a long, long time. All right, so here is Julia reopening it up. Oh yes. Yes. So the rest of it we just leave in there, right? And then they will deal with it?
Yes. They
Okay.
have to stamp, I guess.
All right, we'll put it all back in there then. But congratulations. Congratulations.
And then you ask me, did you actually walk in the restaurant with her? No, I'm out on the sidewalk.
This is our posse here in Kiev. Hola, Damon, Mike,
Make the turn. Kirill.
Kirill. That's them.
Call them.
A lot of flickering with the light. Perfect. Oh my gosh. Wow. That's awesome. Hello everyone, we are packing and we are getting ready for our flight. It's just 24 hours away. But Julia here has been packing.
Yes.
And this is our new suitcase. And Julia, so tell us, what's your strategy with packing?
So first you will start with the big suitcase and you put the heavy stuff and the bulky stuff in. After you're done, you see the smaller things and you start to put in a smaller suitcase. Then for carry-on, you start to put even smaller things like socks and underwear. And you need to know that you put your toiletries because you need to brush your teeth on the plane and stuff. And smaller. Start from big, go to small.
That's awesome advice. And you can tell she's always done a really good job. We've never been in trouble. We've always worried about it. So we have just about 24 hours to go. And right now we're gonna go meet up with some of her friends. Now my friends too, and we're gonna play some board games and just have like a little hoo-hoo, ha-ha farewell.
Yeah.
We are leaving our friend's house right now and we are headed to the airport. Within 20 to 22 hours, we will be in Miami.
The car is waiting already.
We're going to the airport by Uber. Gotta find him. All right, we're going to say goodbye to Kiev. Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
We just said goodbye. A little sad to say goodbye, but we will see them again.
Yes, for sure.
So now we're off to the airport. It's about 20 to 30 minutes and traffic seems to be okay. And we'll get there shortly and we'll have plenty of time. We are at the airport. Took us about, what, 35 minutes?
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah. So now we're here.
Offload now.
Yeah. All right, we're going inside. We're saying goodbye.
Where are your sunglasses?
I put them in the bag already. So here's our stuff.
Here, you take this.
Okay. Yeah. Julie and I have arrived at the airport and made it through security. We made it through immigration and we actually went into duty free and we got a bunch of goodies from Kiev. Lots of bottles of vodka, actually really inexpensive, so that was a great deal. But we are here at our gate. We're gonna be waiting for our plane and pretty soon we'll be pushing off and in the friendly skies. We have arrived to Istanbul and the flight was pretty good.
Yeah.
It's 2 hours and they gave us a bottle of water. And we actually finished up a movie that took us 4 nights.
Yeah.
Because we go to bed so late that we'd only watch 20 minutes at a time. So now we were in Istanbul, we had like a 3-hour layover and then we'll be catching our flight. 12-hour one, right to Miami. We watched the sun go down on this flight and now we're going to be going towards the west and it's going to catch up to us and we'll watch the sunrise in the air and then we'll be landing.
Yep.
Pretty much. So we're going to get something to eat and then catch our next flight.
Next time, fold in your left. Actually,
Well, we are back in the airport and you can see from here it's beautiful. I mean, they have every major brand that you'd ever want to see. They got this annoying little guy on the freaking electric scooter called like the hygiene police, and they're making sure that you have your safety life and or safety
measures.
Your life. I can't even talk. I'm so tired already. Kind of like a lifesaver. I'm trying to say. Anyways, forget all that. But it's a very beautiful airport. And we're gonna get something to eat.
Yes, because I am hungry.
And that's a bad thing. So we have gotten lucky There's some good food here. And Shake Shack. Have you had Shake Shack before, Julia?
Yeah, I think I did.
Yeah, well, I think it's good. We'll try it.
I think it's closed. No?
Oh, come on.
No,
What?
it's the juices are closed.
Oh, here it is over here. Awesome. Okay. Isn't this the best commercial ever? Shake Shack. So we are super excited to eating Shake Shack once again. And I'm not even going to wait any longer. We're gonna do it.
Yeah.